Senators don't endorse bills to create database for cows. This one they happen for Nigeria. Omo my people, no be small thing, you know. Database for cows. In case you know hear that very well the first time. And person they sponsor this nonsense wey una dey hear na person they sponsor am. Him name na Bima Energy. He dey sponsor. Una no dey understand. Check. According to them, they say they want to solve the challenges of the animal identification by establishing national livestock board. I no just don't understand something some kind times. My question now be say, have they finished with human beings? They don't finish with human beings when now they bring animals. I know she Nigeria oh. Oluwa. How many citizens for Nigeria get database? No, how many? I just dey ask. Una leave citizens, una dey enter animals. Why una no finish with human being own first? If I talk now, they go say I no get respect oh, I no do this one oh. This thing one at the year like this, you no get anything to do with meat exploitation. No. Make una bagbe una mind from that side. You no get this one. Another means to squander money. Another means to spoil and spend money and scatter money everywhere. As una hear this thing now, I get one question. Una still need me person tell una, say, you are loved. Nigerian leaders they love you. We can do anything for you people. Una still need that. By now, said you supposed to know your position. You supposed to know where una stand. Cows before human beings. It is as simple as that. You don't need anybody to come tell you where you stand again for. They don't choose cows. This thing I don't they talk am before. There's something about cows now in this country. Something about cows. I see they try. I don't know whether they take vow, they swear for them or something. The only way when Nigeria fit do better things, the only way when Nigeria fit change now, except we remove all Hausa Senate members. We must remove all of them because they are doing more damage than good. Who bring all this stupid proposal? You know go pass them, not them. Not them. Database for cows. And right now, CB, they deliberately, you know understand, they deliberately focus on cows. Meanwhile, terrorists don't overtake the country. Now they think of cows. What a shame. What a shame. See, now this one we they call when people no get anything to do again, they go just find anything to bring up. Una brain just dey upside down. I don't know why una no fit just ask for help if una no get anything to do again. I hope say these cows too go get NIN. No, now since una they bring database for cows, may they also get NIN. Very, very important. Now only nonsense. No, why you go value animal more than human being? No be juju be that. And una some of una go see they tell me say nothing is wrong with Nigeria. It's just normal. It's just this is not normal. Something is wrong, and the thing is big. But I will also find out. Cows. Bari, well done, sir. You are doing well. My people, now the database matter be this so. And I want to know whether they don't do now finish, whether they enter cows. So anything, drop off for that comment section. If maybe you don't do your own, make I know. So that I go relax concerning this matter. I have very, very important. Because share this video, make everybody know say senators, they don't endorse bills for database concerning cows for Nigeria. Share them. Everybody must hear this matter. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you're not going to get matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.